When it comes to planning your social media, you of course want to find something that's going to be nice and simple to use. Now, a myth outside the world is that using a social media schedule will limit your reach. I am still yet to find evidence of that. So I use social media schedulers. So one of the softwares that we use for ourselves and our clients is called Publer. Publer has several packages available, free and paid, and even the paid versions are quite cheap. So it's a fantastic tool to use. It has everything that you would expect a social media scheduler to have. So what I'm going to do is quickly show you what it looks like behind, and then we'll go through the different pricing options as well. Right then, so this is Publer. I'm not in my main account for reasons of it has lots of content in of my clients. So this is what Publer looks like on the inside. So as you can see here, I've got a post up ready where basically if I wanted to create a post, I would basically put my text inside a text box here. I would tell it where it wants to be scheduled. So Facebook, maybe LinkedIn, I would choose where it wants to go. You can schedule to more than one place. So I could schedule to Facebook and LinkedIn together. You can also preview the post. So if I select both of them and press preview, I can see a preview of how it would look on each of the different platforms, on desktop and in mobile. Really good to see what it looks like at the beginning of these lines to see if it's enough to pull someone in to carry on reading, for instance. It has features such as follow-up comments. So you can choose that you want to have a follow-up comment with a 1 minute delay, which could be the links and stuff like that. So you can choose that as well. You can use things such as shortcodes. So for instance, if I put in here the hashtag, not the hashtags, hashtags, what would happen is I have a shortcode set up that will pull through all my hashtags. So that's really cool too. You can also design directly inside Canva. So if I pressed this here, it would take me to my Canva account and I would be able to design it straight away in Canva. It looks really good to visually see the posts. So if I had post scheduled, I would basically see them all listed on here. So I could actually show you that on one of my other accounts, actually, just 1 minute. Right, see, so this is a calendar of my IT Moon account. And as you can see on the calendar, you can see when your post is scheduled out. If you've got more than one post, there you go, you can see that. And not only that, it also pulls through the post that you've done yourself on occasions as well. So there we go, see, nice little calendar. So you've also got to connect all your accounts in, so you can connect up to 5 on the free one, but I'm going to go through the pricing plans as well soon. And you can also see an analytics section here where it would actually tell you how many followers you've got, has it gone up, has it gone down, and things like that. It's only the basic analytics, that's all it is. So yeah, pretty nice and easy to use, simple to navigate, nice and easily. So how much does Publer cost? So you can get a free account. So if I just zoom in a bit so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. So you can get the free account. And what that means is you can have up to 5 social accounts. So LinkedIn, Facebook, Google My Business, you can have up to 5. You can have up to 50 pending scheduled posts. You can have 25 drafts and it saves your history for 24 hours. And then you've got all the basic features that it has. And then you've got some daily post limits. So these are per social account. So no way you can have up to 50 scheduled posts. It does have a limitation in that you can have a maximum of 10 on your LinkedIn profile per day. You can have a maximum of 12 on Facebook per day and things like that. The paid version is $10 or $20 a month. And it alternates depending on how many social accounts you want to add in. Now, the paid version, it gives you the unlimited scheduling. So you can schedule as many posts as you like, as many times as you like, which is a really good one. It also gives you the auto share, which is very good to have. And you also can schedule up follow-up comments. So if you're wanting to be able to schedule follow-up comments, you will want the paid version, the middle one, which you've got. If you want to be able to use auto share and auto delete, again, you're going to need the paid version. Now this version here, the gold one, the $20 a month, you would need this if you want to use spintax, which I cover in another video, or if you want to use recurring posts, if you want to set a post up to schedule. So if I, for instance, go back into this, I've got this post here. As you can see, it's recurring every week on the Monday. So if you want that feature for a post to recur every week, can you see that green arrow to say it's recurring? That's the plan that you would need. If you want to use spintax, so this again is a recurring post, but as you can look, the first 3 sentences are different. So who here spends several hours planning social media? And the next one is want to organize your social media easily. So that's something called spintax inside Publer. And if you want that feature, again, you would need their upper package here. So that's what Publer looks like. Have a look, see what you think of it. I love it. I really do enjoy using it. It's a fantastic piece of tool that I would use. I couldn't cope without it. So yeah, let me know how you find it and have fun using Publer.